How you share your information, how you educate that child, will impact that child's future. My name is Bobby Varianzas. I am the developing agent for the Community Learning Center at Laurie McDonald High School. We have been collaborating with the YWCA for several years now. I think it's at least 5 years. Through the partnership with the YWCA, we were able to answer needs that we were seeing immediately, but also we were able to forecast needs and try to answer those needs. We created a partnership with the Missing Children's Network and the Y to create video capsules on consent and boundaries, on healthy relationships. Even though kind of the pandemic happened, we weren't able to do it the way we planned, we have these video capsules now. And if a teacher is comfortable and they have access to it, they could present it in their class, and then they can have that discussion. It empowers the teacher as much as it empowers the students. One of our goals that we are trying to assess is the mental health and wellness of students. We're looking at healthy relationships. Healthy relationships encompasses sexual relationships, romantic relationships, but also friendships. We always try to get them to understand what is a healthy relationship, what does it look like, feel like, sound like. What the students see on TV and sometimes through the internet are not realistic expectations. Our female students especially didn't know how to set boundaries. They had a hard time saying no without being made to feel guilty. We needed to help them put words to what they were feeling, to validate, then to be able to give them the tools to advocate for themselves and for their friends. And this is where the YWCA was instrumental. We started with girls groups. We progressed to workshops in classrooms. And we started targeting specific areas of healthy relationships, of sexual health, sexual exploitation. I think one of the concrete impacts, like having the YWCA come in and make these presentations to our students, is that it lets them know that we care enough to give them as accurate a set of information as we can. And sometimes there are many students who will sit, will listen, won't say anything, and then will walk away. But there are also a group of students who will always take that kind of as a license to then keep talking about it. It gives them permission to now talk about it more or talk about it for the first time. From the workshops on sexual health that we've had with the Y, we did have a group of students who felt brave enough to come and see the adults to start an LGBTQ awareness group. We call it our GSA, Gay Straight Alliance. They put up posters this year. They wanted to do presentations to staff and students. They brought to our attention that there's a flag. They became very comfortable being outspoken. There are more students willing to be open about their sexuality, be more welcoming to others who are different. So it's important to keep making these workshops happen. I think it helps them be ready for when they leave us and they go into Cégep, which is going to be so much more diverse than their high school, where they will come into contact with different groups of people. It helps them navigate their world.